This is what up, my people. After the battering of the dry spell, this is it. Oh my God. I'm holding up. I will be strong. I can't do without this for all my life. I'm holding on to love to save my life. This is what we call love, my people. This is love. Yes. Only this can really save our lives, you know. Am I right? I'm holding up. I will be strong. Yes. Woo! Hey, hey, hey. Nice up in there now. Yeah, take some. Take some. Take me back in the arms of the plants will be smiling. Hey, come in the tomato. Come. Take some. Oh my word. This is it. Mwah. I'll take you there. I'm holding up. I will be strong. Oh my word. The rain finally came. So this is what I'm about to do now. I will get it right this time. Come with me. Woo!